Another question. Well, first, let me do the low hanging fruit on this one. It is so common for people to watch one of my videos about a property that I either purchased, one of the deals explained videos, or just hear me in general talking, and I ultimately get, "What state are you in?" I'm in Ohio. More specifically, I'm in Montgomery County. More specifically, I'm in Dayton, Ohio. So if you are watching this in disbelief of the prices that I'm putting out, I mean, do realize that some of these videos are pretty old, from 2000. I don't remember, maybe 2020, and I was discussing then deals that I may have purchased in 2018, 2019. So the market has definitely increased as of late. And I mean, even if we hit like a substantial decrease in sales prices, I mean, I don't think it's realistic anymore for us to get back to those 2017 or 18 prices. So even the deals that I'm speaking of and that I've made videos about might not be available anymore. However, compared to the rest of the nation, Montgomery County and Dayton is an extraordinarily affordable place to live. And if you are looking to invest in rental properties, Dayton, Montgomery County, the state of Ohio, outside of the really huge metro areas like Cincinnati and Columbus. I think Cleveland is probably still, I'm sure there's still a lot of really good deals up there to be had. So it's still a market that is in need of significant more investments and really good real estate investors to operate in this market. So by all means, bring as much money as you would like to Dayton or Ohio. And if it's significantly better than the market that you live in, consider moving to the area. We could use all the help that we can get. I know there are several people that have moved here from out of state that have quickly built portfolios of, a life-changing number of properties. So it is definitely, there's tons of opportunity to go around. I don't see any shortage of opportunity for anyone. So give it a shot if you feel so inclined. Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.